Hey friends, if you wish to stop or cancel a ChkDsk scan after you have scheduled it on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now let me explain this. If you have scheduled a ChkDsk scan and you restart your computer and the ChkDsk scan is progress, there's no way out of it. Okay, it may take up to hours, if especially if you have an HDD disk. So if you wish to cancel the ChkDsk scan, then the procedure is as follows. You will have to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on this administrator. Now the command would be a little different. It will be chkntfs space /x. Okay, so copy it and then paste it and then hit enter. Okay, and it may say that you need to specify a drive name, so you can specify the C drive if that is the one being scanned. So hit enter, and it says that the file type is NTFS because I have not scheduled a ChkDsk scan. But if you have, then this is the method that you can use for cancelling it. Okay, so you can remember this. I can also copy paste it in the description section of the video. But if by chance you have restarted your computer and the ChkDsk scan appears, it will give you around 10 seconds to press a key and exit the scan. So you can try that as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.